Welcome to our channel, The Foodie Recipes. If you are new here, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. We are so happy to have you here. Today we'll be making delicious cabbage recipes that are quick and easy to make. Get a full-size cabbage, which is about 150 grams. Make sure it is well clean and chop it into thin strips. Remember, precision here is the key. When you are done chopping, place it into a clean pot or bowl. Add hot water on the cabbage. Stir accordingly. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the cabbage from the hot water or drain the hot water. After draining the hot water, rinse your cabbage on cold water. After rinsing your cabbage, squeeze your cabbage to drain all the water. After squeezing and draining all the water from your cabbage slices, place it on your chopping board and chop it into fine pieces. Once it's fully chopped, place it in a bowl and set it aside. Chop green onions and add them into the bowl with cabbage. Go ahead and add 6 eggs in the bowl. Then, add your preferred spices and make sure your salt is to your taste. Go ahead and thoroughly mix all the ingredients. When fully mixed, heat your cooking pot and add some cooking oil. When the oil is heated, add a thin layer of your mixture to the pan, the same way you would make an omelette. While your thin layer of mixture is still cooking, start folding it from one side and continue adding your mixture on the other side. Continue folding and adding the mixture until all the mixture is added. Fold until you have one roll. Cook it until it's nice and brown. When it's ready, remove it and place it on a chopping board. Cut it into even squares for serving. It's mouth-watering. You may serve it with your preferred sauce or drink. Here is our second cabbage recipe. Get a full-size cabbage, which is about 150 grams. Make sure it is well cleaned. Cut about 8 cabbage leaves. Place each one of them in boiling water. Let them boil for about 2 minutes. Continue turning them in the boiling water so that they can evenly cook. After 2 minutes of cooking, remove them from the boiling water and set them aside. Now prepare some minced meat, about half a kilogram. It's now time to prepare your mushrooms, about 5 medium-sized. Chop them into small pieces. When they are fully chopped, add them to the minced meat. Chop your ball onions into small pieces. Add them to the minced meat. Slice 1 carrot into thin slices. Cut those slices into small pieces. Add the pieces on the minced meat. Chop green onions into small pieces. Add them to the minced meat also. Add all your preferred spices and seasonings. Add salt to taste. Add a tablespoon of olive oil or your preferred oil. Add a tablespoon of wheat flour into the mixture. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well mixed. Now take the boiled cabbage leaves. Slice excess stalk from each leaf for easy folding. Spread the leaf and add a small mixture of the ingredients. Put enough to be able to fold into the leaf. Repeat on all the cabbage leaves until the mixture is finished in the bowl. When they are all folded, place them in a pot ready to steam them. Steam them for about 20 minutes. now they are ready to serve. They are mouth-watering. So soft and juicy, and very delicious. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing, share and like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.